Welcome to 700 Olney Sandy Spring Rd. This beautiful single-family home is located in the highly sought-after Sandy Spring, Maryland, offering over a span of 4,300 square feet. This beautiful residence combines a thoughtful space that mixes elegance with functionality. Come on over. From the original structure in this house. I am touching a furnace heater that was originally built in 1870. Let's check out the rest of the house. Lastly, this garage can hold up to 3 cars. And let's not forget, this huge driveway can have up to 13 cars. Oh, and before I forget, this garage already comes with an EV charger, so you can be ready to go. This house speaks for itself. This house is being sold by Metro Homes DMV under the 1% listing commission program. If you want to know more about this benefit, give us a call. We are here to serve.